Hey guys, CodaKid here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing a Fitbit Blaze. Hope you enjoy! This watch is 5 years old, but for some reason has never been opened. Inside the box you were met with the watch. Looks nice. Some manuals and a charging cable. Now we'll go to the watch. The tape is on really strong for some reason. So, I finally got the Fitbit set up. It comes with this app which syncs all of the data from the watch. It has exercises, FitStar, which is like quick workouts, relaxing, so meditation, alarms, timer, settings. Yeah, it looks really nice. Now, I normally use this watch, a Ticwatch E, as my normal smartwatch. It is safe to say that it has quite a few more features, but this is expected, as the Fitbit is 5 years older. The Ticwatch is a smartwatch though, and the Fitbit is a sports tracker. Comparing the exercises, the Ticwatch has a lot more, but again, newer device versus older device. On both watches you have meditation functions, timers, alarms, settings. The Ticwatch is running Wear OS, so depending on what device you have, it will either be more or less paired to your life. So that means with Apple it will be further away and Android closer, but the Fitbit doesn't really have like a parent company, so it will be more just in the middle. Yeah, basically. Outro time. So thanks for watching, likes and subs, bye!